The Corsair K70 RGB Pro Mini Wireless is a standout mechanical keyboard that has quickly earned its place as one of the finest 60% keyboards in the market. With the price tag starting at $89.99 on Amazon, it offers impressive value for both casual users and enthusiasts who demand top-notch performance. At first glance, the K70 RGB Pro Mini impresses with its sleek, compact design and premium build quality. The solid plastic frame is coupled with a sturdy metal top plate, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight feel that makes it ideal for on-the-go use. Performance-wise, this keyboard excels, offering ultra-responsive key switches and customizable RGB lighting. The Cherry MX switches, available in multiple variants, are precise and smooth, delivering a satisfying typing experience for both gaming and typing tasks. The compact layout saves desk space while providing all the essential keys, making it a great option for minimalists or those looking to reduce clutter without sacrificing functionality. The wireless connectivity is another highlight, with Corsair's Slipstream technology ensuring near-instantaneous response times and a stable connection, even in demanding gaming situations. The keyboard is also Bluetooth-enabled, offering seamless compatibility with multiple devices. Another feature that sets the K70 RGB Pro Mini apart is its rich customization options. Corsair's ICUE software allows users to adjust everything from RGB lighting effects to key remapping, offering nearly limitless personalization. The battery life is also impressive, providing hours of continuous use without the need for frequent charging, though it does rely on a USB-C cable for wired use. However, no product is without its drawbacks. The compact 60% layout, while great for portability, might feel cramped to those accustomed to a full-size or tankulous keyboard. This could take some time to get used to, especially for users who frequently use number pads or function keys. Additionally, while the K70 RGB Pro Mini's wireless performance is exceptional, some might prefer the more traditional wired setup for maximum reliability. Overall, the Corsair K70 RGB Pro Mini Wireless is a fantastic option for gamers and productivity users alike, offering excellent build quality, fast wireless performance, and rich customization options. Whether you're looking for a portable solution for gaming or a sleek keyboard for your work setup, this model does not disappoint. With a starting price of $89.99, it's hard to find a better 60% keyboard that offers this level of performance and versatility.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.